Oh look, a package from California. Cancer and reproductive harm. Package from Whipple.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be opening up this package that we got from WHIPPLE Superchargers. We've been in talk with Chuck over there at Whipple, and yeah, he loves what we're doing here. And we got to talking, and he sent us something, so let's go check it out.
What do you think it is, guys? What do you think it is? Is it a Whipple? Is it some rotors? Are we gonna be the first twin screw Roush blower? No, guys. I know exactly what it is. It's something a lot of you guys have been complaining about. Oh, you need to get those replaced, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. But this is a set of red high flow filters for the car. So we're gonna be swapping these out. I'm gonna get myself a dyno day where I can go bring the car as is, run it on the dyno, get a baseline run. Then we'll take the intakes off, take the carbon traps out, run it again. Then throw the high flow filters on, run it again. And then we'll throw on the ported throttle bodies, run it again, and we'll get you data for all three of those changes. So if you were to take your Roush Supercharger and do those mods coming from a completely stock car on the intake side, what each one of those picks up. We've got 7,000 miles on the car, 2,500 miles since we put the Roush Supercharger on it. We had a dyno day with VMP. The car put down 678 to the wheel on their dyno. 678 standard. It was about I want to say like high 650s SAE. According to them, the fuel quality wasn't great, but we were both on the same fuel. So it doesn't matter if you're a Roush guy or a Whipple guy. I'm sure you'll want to see that content. So definitely make sure you click subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when that video goes up. And if you want to check out anything else we got here going on the channel, you're definitely welcome to do that as well. We've got a GTD coming. We're working. We're doing everything we can to try and make that happen. But it'll definitely be 100 times easier with your support. Definitely drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And we will get you some numbers very soon with the first Whipple filtered Roush Supercharged S650 Mustang. Thanks, guys.